Mahabang stick yung kawayan. Nasa dulo. Nice shot. Thank you, Sir Tyson. Yes, yes. Thank you so much, Sir Tyson. Ayun, oh. Ang laki ng buntot. Malapit naman. Malapit naman. Baka malalim lang. Hola, good morning, Hola. Good morning to all our live viewers out there. Good morning, good morning. Kung makakawala pa ang ating isda, Master. Sayang naman.
Wala pa yung uli.
Kaya nga. Hindi pwede. No, 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 no. Good morning to all of our live viewers out there, guys. Please comment down below which country were you from. Thank you so much for watching us. Good morning, good morning.
Mabibilis, sir. Mabibilis.
Mabibilis. Ang lakas kasi ng tubig, Master, eh. Hello, hello, hello. Good morning to all of our live viewers out there, guys. Right now, we are here in Taiwan, guys. We are here in Taiwan. Right now, guys, we are here in Taiwan. Under the bridge.
Wala ka mo, sir.
Yun. Ay, nalaglag yung aming huli, guys.
Wala yung isa.
Kailangan ng lagayan, Master, na ano, na basket, no? Yung matibay-tibay, yung isasabit. Yes, so sinisave na lang natin ang ating huli. Hey, shoutout sa iyo, shoutout sa inyo, shoutout sa lahat ng nanonood sa amin. Hello, Daniel, Sir Daniel Sport Highlights. Good morning sa iyo. Good morning to you, Sir Daniel. And to all our live viewers out there, guys, good morning, good morning. Good morning, guys, good morning. Hope you're enjoying our live stream right now, guys. Good morning, good morning. Ayun. Parang tumatalbog, ah. Parang hindi, guys, sa tali mo. I-try mo nga italo yung malayo. Baka nabibitin, eh. Parang di naglalarga, eh. Parang di naglalarga yung tali mo ng mahaba. Hanggang doon lang, eh. Parang nabibitin yung tali, eh. Natalbog. Makukulit natin ang balat ng isda dito. Hey, good morning, good morning. Shoutout kay JC Vlogs. Thank you for sharing. Dan SD Idol. Thank you, Sir JC, no? Pre, magpasalamat ka kay Sir JC at shinare ka daw niya. Yun, thank you so much, mga master. Apakabait mo, Sir JC. Shoutout sa'yo kung sino ka man. Sana lahat kayo ganyan, guys. Hello, Ma'am Caroline. Good morning to you. Hi, Ma'am Caroline. Good morning, good morning.
Kita kayo dyan?